Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Today we are here with our good friends at Coyote. And behind me is the EHC equipment trailer. This is a perfect trailer for loading skid steer, mini excavator, or a small tractor. Today I'll be showing you how easy it is to load this trailer with the stand-up ramps it features. EHC features either slide-in, mount-in, or stand-up ramps. These ramps are spring-loaded, so it's easy to let them down or lift them up. Also, they are adjustable depending on what equipment you'll be loading. And that's how easy it is to load the equipment trailer with stand-up ramps. Be sure to secure your cargo with the stake pockets, D-rings welded inside the fenders, and another row of stake pockets and rub rail. For the full review video, be sure to check it out here. Check out our other videos also down here. Until next time.